Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jeff Greenaway Outdoors. Wednesday night, we're in the Mournes again. Stephen and myself, we're gonna do Pierce's Castle, Tor the Rock, and then end up on top of Rocky Mountain tonight. Next pretty easy one. I think it's coming in at 6.4 kilometers. It's given 2 hours 45 minutes I think to do it on the all trails, but we'll see what we do it in. As always, we're not out to break any records. First up, Pierce's Castle in the distance there. We've done this, well, I've done this once, Stephen's done it twice I think. He's brought the family up here. Stephen and myself brought my dad up here on his birthday. And it was an awful day. Cold, guttery, just everything you'd expect on an awful day up here. But tonight, there's a bit of a breeze. Warm enough. I think it was 16 degrees when we got out of the car there. You can see the high moors coming in there. They were sort of engulfed in a wee bit of cloud. Hopefully when we get up here we'll get some sort of views. Touch on the track. From what I can recall, it is a stone path basically the whole way up the foot of Pierce's Castle. We'll find out soon enough. First kernel of the night. It's just at the T-junction basically. We're just over a mile and a half in. We've walked up like a sandy track, like I said earlier on. In the distance is Shanleave, I think it is, and then over to Eagle. And then we're not too far away from Pierce's Castle. First one of the night. First proper summit of the night. Stephen's poured on a bit. Starting to spit there a wee bit and the clouds are starting to... It's hard to say. They're coming and going, definitely. But we'll get up here and hopefully get a wee bit of dinner. Blowing a gale, exactly 2 miles, 47 minutes, not actually too bad. Spin you around as usual. See down into the valley, into the windy camp, down towards Hen Mountain, over Rocky, then the sandy track, then out towards Stephen Rackett's Sleeve Gullion direction. And then of course, Eagle. Plan of attack is just to drop down and we're going to follow this trail to Tor the Rock and drop down up on the Rocky, come back on ourselves and just drop down into the forest with the cars parked. 15-minute dinner break there. Got a couple of new things for the bag. Water holders, easy access to the water, means you don't have to stretch around for the side of the bag, which I don't like. Onwards. the next point. Peak number 2, Tor the Rock. I hope I'm saying that right because I've said it to Stephen about 10 times and he's corrected me every single time. So I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. It's exactly a mile from Pierce Castle to Tor the Rock. Approximately, let me see, I give off 40 minutes probably. Decent wee walk. Good stretch of legs. Not stay about too long, it's very windy. Next stop, Rocky. Let's move. Just a wee precautionary. We're in close to that bar. Don't want to get caught out. Done it once before in the Western Mournes. I'll never do it again. Always play it smart. Bring a raincoat. Last one of the night. Rocky Mountain, peak number 3. It's probably going to be the toughest. It's just straight up here. I've done this once before from the other side and it was awful. An absolute slogfest from the other side. Wouldn't recommend it to anybody. I was blowing a hoolie up there as well that day. It was actually the last time we were in the Western Mournes. Christmas time. Awful. Didn't get to see anything. Hopefully we're going to see into as far as maybe Ross Trevor. So, fingers crossed. 10 minutes, 15 minutes hopefully. Always look left and right, crossing the Mourne Way. Going to the saddle with the skirt round the side of Rocky and then drop. So from Tor the Rock up the Rocky Mountain was 0.47 mile. I think it was coming in 22 minutes or something. Nice wee pull up, but as you heard up there, the wind was horrendous. We just came down the side of the mountain on the trail. We're going to hit the track, which which will just bring us back to the car park. So we'll check in there with a full mileage and minutes and stuff. See you there. There we go, Western Wednesday's done, maybe a new summer thing. 4.3 mile, 2 hours 26 minutes, not too bad. 3 peaks done, all in the bag. Firstly, thanks for coming along, watching the video. If you subscribe, thanks very much. Like it, leave a comment, and of course cheers to all the Facebook pages that let me post and all. And as always, I'll see you all next week.